So one thing, yeah, my old man chair here. Okay, that's what this little flare is spinning out on the floor. Oh, they do have a little cooler up in there, and I see stud marks, and I'm thinking that they apparently had to bottom out and cut the cooler, and they got smart and took most of these boys out. Predator. Interesting. Oh, this one's ripping out. Yeah, well, this track is toast. We know that. So, they want a cotter pin in here. So, basically, the sleeve in the middle allows everything to clamp together. There's one odd thing, and that's this slider. Actually, we're going to have to loosen this guy and then retighten the track properly through the windows and through the window right there. So, once this bolt is torqued down, it pinches the rail. And there's four big shims. There's four big shims. I'm just trying to see how that other idler's tracking. It looks like it works. So there's four shim washers, two on either side of the rail, to either side of this rail, to either side of that rail. I just looked at the slider, just trying to see if I got my spacer stacked right. That's good. Those guys are good. What was the... Oh, you see the windows in the track? Got two windows, a skip, two windows, a skip. That's really odd. I don't think the Polaris have that. So what we're going to do is, I think I'm going to change the gear case oil. And, what else? Grease. And that's it. That's a snowmobile out the door. We need this girl to run. It just sucks that he didn't have red wheels. I think he likes blue. Most people generally do. Okay. Wait, what's that sound I hear? Hey, the SX Venom is alive! It works! Wait, why are there blue wheels? She's ready to ride, let's go!